on behalf of PDX A1 Realty Group and the PDX A1 Spotlight Show, I wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali. I thank you for your continued support and the encouragement for the Spotlight Show. We started on this journey with the sole intention to build a platform where we could celebrate and share the experience of our community in a virtual way. Today is a very special occasion and a special gathering for all of us. The pandemic has made it difficult for us to adopt a new norm, and the choices of occasion of celebration have taken a backseat. To celebrate the spirit of Diwali, today we have two well-known and dynamic teams and one individual with a lot of talents. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Mrs. Deepa of Deepa's Dance Academy and Mrs. Sandy Pide for Sur or Saptak team and Lavanya Kumaran for a pencil art for gracious accepting our invitation to present a wonderful Diwali event. To help me host today's show, I have two energetic and very talented people who have created the name for themselves in our community. It's my pleasure to welcome Mrs. Jyoti and Mr. Vaibhav to be official MC of this evening. We also have a Decorate for Diwali contest going on. On a popular demand, we have extended the contest till midnight tonight. Please visit our events page to view details about the contest. Now, please sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
Thank you, Venkat, and thank you to the full Spotlight team for having us over on this show today. I am Jyoti Veeramani, and I will be one of your hosts for today's program, and I will be accompanied by...
I'm Vaibhav Shah, and I will be joining Jyoti on this wonderful Diwali journey with you all. So we would like to start off by wishing you a happy Diwali.
Yes, a very, very happy Deepavali to all of you, and welcome to our Sur or Nritya show today. And as is customary, before we begin anything, we would like to start with an invocation song and dance to Lord Ganesha.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गीतसाराय रूपाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
And you guys are in for a treat because I have seen some of her sketches and they are just mind-blowing. So Lavanya resides in Portland, but she's from Tamil Nadu. She's also an assistant teacher at the Natya Academy. And she has helped over 50 students to learn the Tamil language. And she continues to support the community by sharing her talent as a pencil artist. So welcome, Lavanya, to the show.
Welcome all of you all and good afternoon to everyone. It's nice to be with everyone this evening. I would like to extend my thanks to the team as well as special thanks to Venkat sir and Ajoy for giving me this opportunity to present this. So it takes a great pleasure for me to present my pencil art, which is an illustration regarding the Diwali festival. So hope you all will sit and enjoy watching all this stuff. Thank you.
And now everyone, here I'm going to introduce to you the stars of today's program, Chamakte Sitare of Sur Aur Saptak, and they are Sandeep Prakash Bhide, Mini Jairaj, Abhinav Rastogi, Sandeep Shetty, Aniket Tiwari, and Deepanjan Sengupta. Please give them a big hand and please send them your love and your comments on the chat section and enjoy their show. And we will start today with none other than the dawn of the program, Sandeep Prakash Bhide.
Hello.
Hi, Sandeep.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. भाई आप तो मैंने तो चमकते सितारे बोले, आप देख भी रहे हैं, चमक रहे हैं, क्या दीपावली के लिए है कि अंजू के लिए है कि किसके लिए, कुछ खास?
जो मेरे फैंस है वो सब के लिए मैं पहनता हूँ अच्छे कपड़े.
Okay, great. So happy Deepavali to you, and I'm going to ask you, Sandhi, to please let us all know how did you start this journey with the Portland chapter of Sur Aur Saptak? What made you come up with this idea? Was it something personal, or what was it that had you start this? And could you also tell us if you had any challenges, and basically if you could take us through and the audience as to your journey with this wonderful noble cause that you have built over here?
Thank you, Jyoti, for asking me that question. You know what? There are the two things that bother me. One is in 1969, my own mother lost her eyesight, and she was blind until her death. And she was a very vibrant lady. She worked literally from morning 5:30 till midnight, and then her life just came to a stop. and so I can tell you how I have seen that so closely, and especially a dynamic lady like my mother, her life just came to a stop. And there and then I had decided that I was going to do something in my life so that what my mother went through, no other person in the world should be needing to go through this. So, I love music, and I decided, hey, I'm going to turn that into something that will help children. And that's how it started about 9 years ago. And my vision is very simple. My vision is, and by the way, 6.5 billion people, 2.5 billion people need glasses. And a huge number of children. There is one every minute a child goes blind. So my personal vision is that there should be not one child on this planet should be prevented from getting an education because they cannot see the blackboard or cannot read a book just because they cannot afford basic prescription glasses. That's where it all started. And thank you. The Portland community has been, overflowingly loving and giving, being charitable. And over the last 9 years, we have raised over $350,000 just from Portland community. And it's not me. I'm just sort of the initial spark to start the Fatakas, but the Fatakas have been going all because of the help from the generous Portland community.
Wow, awesome.
And you ask me, like anything else, there are ups and downs, but you don't look at downs, you always look at ups. And so many relations, so many networks, so many friends, so many musicians I have connected and touched. There is no better joy than that. It is as simple as that. And I'm so happy next year will be in our 10th year.
All right.
So Sandhiji, actually, and moving to that, of course, you have really connected a lot of people. You have really brought together the community. I mean, hardly anybody in the Portland Indian community is someone who doesn't know who Sandeep Bhide is, So I'm going to ask you, as at the tender age of 35, you have achieved all of this and actually achieved all of this. So, you wear many hats, you do a lot of other things. Can you share with our viewers what else does Sandeep Bhide do? Of course, apart from entertaining his lovely wife and kids, but what else does Sandeep Bhide do? I know you have 4 projects going on minimum at any time, as I am aware. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
I know you are putting me on the spot, and I hardly like to talk about myself. Really, I mean, it is something. But I'll tell you, I'm running 3 startups, all of them in the healthcare field. I'm also helping quite a bit the University of Oregon executive MBA students to help them with their business plans and how to take them from concept to presenting them in front of venture capitalists. I'm also on Edison, Thomas Alva Edison. So I'm on the Edison Universe and Edison Awards Committee. I'm a steering committee member, and they give world's topmost companies come there for innovation. So I just like to be engaged, and I like to help, whichever way I can to the extent that I can.
I thought you're already married. How come you're saying you like to be engaged now? You're 35. Did you hear that right?
Why do you want to spill my secrets? All my engagements, wherever, let's talk offline about that. I can tell you everything.
All right.
You're definitely reading between the lines here. Huh?
Okay, so Sandhiji, the dawn of our program. So what is it you're going to sing for us today?
मैं जहाँ जाता हूँ तब मैं होठों की बात करता हूँ.
Whoa, okay.
Because all the ladies wear lipstick, so that's the first place I look at. So my Gana has to do with hot.
Okay, and the song is?
बजाइए और खुद ही सुनिए.
कुछ
बेताब धड़कते सीनों का अरमान भरा पैगाम है ये, छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, कुछ और नहीं है जाम है ये, छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को। अच्छों को बुरा साबित करना दुनिया की पुरानी आदत है। अच्छों को बुरा साबित करना दुनिया की पुरानी आदत है। इस समय को मुबारक जी समझ माना के बदनाम ये, छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, कुछ और नहीं है जाम ये, कुदरत ने जो हमको बख्शा है वो सबसे हसीन इनाम है ये, छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को।
क्या बात है संधि जी, मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया. That was great. Thank you so much.
And everyone, I would like to now take this opportunity here to say that our Surah Saptak program with Deepa and the whole team will happen on February 27th, 2021 from 4 to 7 p.m. So please pencil this into your calendar, and this is going to be an online program. And so it's not only going to be available for people in Portland, but all over US and in fact, all over the globe. And it is going to be our 10th anniversary for Surah Saptak. Give a big hand for that. And please send in your comments and congratulations to the team and to everyone who has been bringing this program for you year after year. So please put it down onto your calendar. We just cannot believe that it is going to be 10 years. We have collected $300,000 in charity for these blind children. And all of this is happening working through Seva Foundation of Berkeley, California. So we will see you there on Feb 27th.
That's awesome, Jyoti. I'm looking forward to it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, दिल थाम के बैठिए, क्योंकि अब मैं जिनको बुलाने वाला हूँ उनका नाम बोलते बोलते ही मुझे लगता है कि बैकग्राउंड में आई कैन जस्ट हियर मोहिनी 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 मोहिनी. I'm gonna go ahead and welcome our next celebrity on the show today, Deepa Barve. So just to give you a little bit of background about Deepa, let's give her a big round of applause. Just a few things, some things that even I didn't know about that. Deepa has actually spent the last 2 decades balancing the corporate ladder and the world of art. She has a degree in microbiology and an MBA, coupled with dancing in Bharatanatyam and jazz. Deepa's diverse background and interests have made her the influencer in our community. Whether she's serving on the board of Portland Center Stage or she's authoring articles on the career websites, teaching dance or being a parent, balance has been the key mantra in her life. Deepa actually started performing since she was 8 years old, and the performing arts has been part of her life ever since. She has competed in dance competitions, acted, has been part of various initiatives when it comes to arts and culture. She's actually also in the US been choreographing a lot of performances, but she also has her own dance academy, Deepa's Dance Academy in Portland, and is a formidable figure in the Portland dance and art community. So without taking any more time away, Deepa, welcome to the show.
Yay.
Right. Deepa, if you can just unmute yourself. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
No,
Thank
no,
you
it's
so
fine.
much for the warm welcome, Vaibhav. Can you also let the audience know that I did not pay you to say all that?
Not at all. Not at all. This is all true. This is all real. For
Hi,
sure.
Jyoti. Good to see you too.
Yeah, hi Deepa, welcome. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. Thank you. Same to you. So thank you to Venkat and the Spotlight team for organizing this, not just this particular show, but over the summer, they've been doing an awesome job. I've seen many of their shows, and I'm excited to be here this evening, this afternoon, I should say.
So Deepa, we'll get right into it. How did your dance journey begin? You know, can you please share how it all happened, how it all came together?
Yeah, so you covered some of it in the introduction. Really started at, I think, about 5 years old when my mom enrolled me into Bharatanatyam classes. And first stage performance was at 8 years old when my sister just pulled me and my friends together for annual day for the school and, decided to choreograph something. And I was like, okay, I think I like this. So got started like that. In college is when I got really bitten by the bugs, so to speak. Attended quite a bit of workshops, competitions, so on and so forth, and have been doing it in India professionally as well. I was a part of National Center for Performing Arts as well as theater houses. And I was actually just on the cusp of deciding whether I want to do it professionally when, my job brought me to the US. So in the US, I have to thank a few of my friends who sort of, goaded me into why don't you teach? Because I used to choreograph informally for them, just at events and stuff. And so they said, you should teach. And Jyoti here actually was part of my first batch of students. So I have to thank those 7 ladies who, took a chance on me because they didn't know anything about me at that time. After that, thankfully, the word of mouth just grew and people started noticing performances. And so since then, Deepa's Dance Academy has been going strong for about 7 years now.
Wow.
That was an awesome first workshop that you did for all of us. We were just so blown away.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You are just a superb dancer.
Thank you, Jyoti.
So, Deepa, I've been looking at your biodata and you have a lot going on your plate with your job and all this happening. But I also am seeing that you are on the board of art institutions too. Could you shed some light on that and how does that come into play with all that you do? And the time?
Yeah. Thanks for asking, because you're asking about something that's really close to my heart. So in the past, I was part of Metropolitan Youth Symphony, and currently I'm on the board of Portland Center Stage. I'm actually part of their education committee. And, I will try not to get emotional while talking about this, but I feel so much passion for art education. And every time I see schools cutting funding, the first thing to go is art education. And so that has been my focus with Portland Center Stage, is to make sure that we continue to advocate for what art brings to a student's life, right? And when you're part of a dance group or a theater group, you're not just learning singing, or you're not just learning steps. You are learning how to think on your feet, right? Like we have all been part of performances where definitely everything does not go as planned. I'm sure this afternoon will not entirely go as planned either. So you learn how to think on your feet, you learn how to be, part of a team. And so there's so many life skills that you learn as a result of being involved in some sort of an art form. And so really making sure that we continue to advocate for that, that's my motivation to be part of these institutions.
Awesome. Deepa, that is, I was talking to Sandhi about wearing multiple hats, and it's so cool that both of you, between you and Sandhi, there is that multiple hat phenomena going, and it's inspirational. It's inspirational for everybody to actually pick up on it. Not so much to have some fun. I like having some fun too, but this is actually inspiring to the younger generation. It's always hard to balance. So thank you for sharing that. Really appreciate it. And guys, by the way, we have a very special live grand finale, which is the first time in the history of Spotlight. And as far as I know, a lot of these online live events, this is a very, very exclusive event, especially for our community right here. So please stay tuned because it's coming. Deepa is part of it, and it's going to happen right here on this Diwali special PDXA1 Spotlight show. All right. Now let's go to our next performance. Our next performance is going to be by Pampi Chaudhary and Shikha Mishra. It's an Assamese folk dance. The love for dance has been a common factor for both Pampi and Shikha, and they like to team up with people who do similar things. They try to better their performances every time, getting creative every time. The outcomes don't really, they don't come out as desired every time, but they don't stop. They keep trying, and that's the spirit that we all live in, right? I mean, that's what we want to do. So what we have here is they have tried something different this time. They have tried to prepare their dance on a beautiful blend of Assamese folk and Hindi music from an old classic. A perfect blend with a slight twist for a newer version of Bihu dance. Hope you guys will like it.
Wow, that was such a wonderful performance.
Wow.
The steps were so graceful yet energetic, and I kind of saw there was a little bit of the twist step plus the hand movements and everything. It was just beautiful. I just loved it. Guys, please go ahead and send in your comments and in the chat section and appreciate these wonderful dancers. And now I would like to introduce the second SAS member who's going to come in to sing, none other than Minnie Jairaj. Yay! And I would like to say that she is one of the oldest members of our Sur Aur Saptak team.
What did you say? Oldest? I mean, her age was arrested at 25. She hasn't grown since then. She's looking 25. She's 25.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that way. I mean to say that she's oldest, but looking very young, as in she has been there right from when it was, when you began this group. Sorry.
And what did you say again? Sorry or sari? I heard sari.
Okay, Sandeep. Okay, now that you caught me on that, I mean sorry as well as sari. You know, she is the sari queen after all. Do you have any idea how many saris Minnie might have, Sandeep?
You mean in Portland, per capita, how many saris she has?
Yeah, can you take a wild guess?
Looking at number of shirts I have, I would say 35.
Well, you're way off. Maybe people can write in their chats and say how many saris Minnie has as of today. And Sandeep ji, sari par ek yaad aaya. You know how in Bollywood movies, how these heroines, they are always wearing so many saris and changing all the time during a song sequence. But there is one particular song, the movie Guide, you know, where Devanand and Wahida Rahman is.
Yeah.
And there is a song, Gaata Rahe Mera Dil. Usme, I'm going to ask you a question. Wahida ji did not change any saris in that sequence. Do you know why?
Yes, I know what trick you are playing with me. I know exactly what it is. ये गाना था ओ मेरे हमराही, उसमें लिखा था दुनिया बदले लेकिन सारी मत बदलना. बराबर पकड़ा कि नहीं?
हाँ, पकड़ा, एकदम बिल्कुल पकड़ा, एकदम ट्यूबलाइट. अच्छा है, you know, because in this group today we have Sadi Prakash Bhide, we have Deepa and Jyoti. तो ट्यूबलाइट तो होगा ही ना दीपावली के लिए.
मैं आपको और एक बात बताऊं.
हाँ.
मिनी के बारे में, वो मिनी को भी मालूम नहीं है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ सर. कुछ महीने पहले मिनी चल गई थी इंडिया, आती नहीं थी वापस. तो उसका जो हस्बैंड है जयराज, तो आपको पता है बड़ा नाइस आदमी है, काइंड आदमी है. हर शाम हर रात को उसकी पूरी साड़ियां उठाता था बेड पे, और बेचारा क्या गाना था, पुअर फेलो. यू नो व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू सिंग? सारी सारी रात तेरी याद सताए. बहुत तरस खाया मैंने उस पर, क्या करूं अभी.
Okay, so now Minnie is going to sing for us the song Mausam Hai Ashikana from the movie Pakiza, and right after that we will also hear a duet from Sandhi and Minnie. Welcome.
मौसम है आशिकाना, ए दिल कहीं से उनको ऐसे में ढूंढ लाना, ऐसे में ढूंढ लाना. मौसम है आशिकाना, ए दिल कहीं से उनको ऐसे में ढूंढ लाना, ऐसे में ढूंढ लाना. Thank you.
ओ सोनिए मांस दिया, कितना प्यारा वादा, कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का, इस मस्ती में सूझे ना क्या कर डालो हाल, मोहे संभाल ओ साथिया ओ बेलिया।
कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का, इस मस्ती में सोचे ना क्या कर डालो हाल, मोहे संभाल। हो जाला या अंधेरा, कहीं न छूटे हाथ तेरा, कोई मेरा ना तेरे बिन, या निभाना साथ मेरा।
अरे कोरा कोरा गोरा गोरा ये अंग तोरा है, पागल मोहे बना दिया। कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का, इस मस्ती में सूझे ना क्या कर डालू हाल, मोहे संभाल। बरसों मैंने मन जलाया, मिली पलकों की तब ये छाया, कांटे मेरे तन में टूटे, गले से तूने जब लगाया।
ओ सैया प्यारे चलता जा रे भैया डारे हाल, करवा तो है लड़ा लिया। कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का, इस मस्ती में सोचे ना क्या कर डालो हाय, मोहे संभाल। रोज उठा के ये नयनवा, छुआ करूंगी तारा मनवा, जैसे पहली बार चाहा, सदा चाहूंगी मैं सजनवा।
है तेरे नैना मेरे नैना फिर क्या कहना है, क्या क्या न मैंने पा लिया। कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का, इस मस्ती में सूझे ना क्या कर डालू हाल, मोहे संभाल।
ओ साथिया ओ बेलिया, कितना प्यारा वादा है हिम्मत वाली आंखों का, इस मस्ती में सोचे ना क्या कर डालो हाल, मोहे संभाल। ओ साथिया ओ बेलिया।
That was amazing. That was amazing. Mini Sandhi ji, आप लोगों ने तो मतलब कमाल ही कर दिया. That was phenomenal. By the way, if there is a concept of backstage when it comes to live or Zoom meetings or these live for performances over the internet, then in that backstage, Sandhi ji was still dancing with that same gusto. So it's kind of cool, right? It is kind of amazing. So it's something I wanted to mention, guys. We have a lot more entertaining performances throughout the rest of the evening. I also want you to keep your eyes peeled on Lavanya's wonderful art that she's drawing with us. You can see on your screen right now. She is on it. You are going to see the end product today. And guys, please enjoy that.
Yeah. Sandhi, really, that was awesome. I see. And it's very hard, Vaibhav, to keep Sandhi still, though. It's very hard.
Yes.
And Sandhi ji, ye COVID ke time, people are coming, doing a lot of creative things. People are finding time to bring out their hidden talents. And you sang this song, Chhu Lene Do Nazuk Honton Ko, a romantic number outside in the backyard. And I just want to know, was it like a timeout song for you? Did you get into trouble with Anjali ji, which is why you were singing it outside?
Actually, क्या हुआ? मैं उसको बोला.
Can you say it in, yeah, okay. Try to speak more in English because there are many people, but sometimes here and there, if it's the punchline is in Hindi, but try to.
I understand.
Yeah.
I went to her and I said, I want to touch your lips. छूले दे दो नाजुक होठों को. तो उसने मुझे क्या कहा? मुझे कहती, होंठ क्यों? जाम ही चूम लेना. मेरे पास क्यों आ रहा है? So I went out and started finding jams if they were still around on the tree.
Okay, that's finding some leaves and all. Was that your snack over there?
Jam भी मिला नहीं और होठ भी नहीं मिलेगी.
Okay, well, it is Deepavali ka time hai. Patake to zarur phutenge. Kabhi na kabhi. But anyway, the Kitna Pyara was just awesome. Okay. So now, Sandhi ji, we are wanting to bring Abhinav Rastogi here, and I would like you to do the honors of introducing Abhinav.
By the way, you didn't say anything about his old age, so I'm fine. He's also a very young guy.
Yeah, he's actually, yeah, let me say so that Minnie doesn't get mad at me. Abhinav is also an oldest member of this team.
Oh my God. If you call them oldest, you have to call me ancient. So I will not give you that chance because I'm still in the same age range as Abhinav and Minnie. So let me tell you about Abhinav. Abhinav has been with along with Minnie, they both have been with Sur Aur Saptak right from day one, and that makes the bond very special. Not that the bond with others is not, but you've spent 9 years together. And it was interesting how I found him. He was in an Intel India show, and he and Vinod, they were singing Yakkachatura Nar Karake Singar. And I just loved the duet singing that so much that I said, hey, would you like to come and join? And they were waffling a little bit, not sure, but I said, no, come on in. And they came in. And to be honest with you, nothing like having a 9 years of relationship with both of them. Amazing. And just like Jairaj, let me tell you, you know what song he sings to his wife every day? Yakkachatura nar karke singar. See, all these guys, the male species, let me tell you, we are very sensitive gender. We love this thing. We love matwale aankhon mein, hot, chatura nar. We are all sensitive and romantic. I just want to let you know. So when you talk with Murli next time, show him some tenderness because we are all sensitive people.
Okay then. Well, with Murli, I just danced to his tune. So now we will bring Abhinav, and he will be singing the song Kya Mujhe Pyar Hai. And there's one request from Abhinav that all of you please get up from your seats and dance, and don't just watch this just sitting there on your seat. So get ready to do some nice groovy moves. Okay?
You want inspiration? It's here.
Okay.
आजकल नींद कम ख्वाब ज्यादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है। कल था फकीर आज दिल शहजादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है। क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है, या क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है, या ओ ओ ओ पत्थर के इन रस्तों पे फूलों की एक चादर है। जब से मिले हो हमको बदला हर एक मंजर है। देखूं जहां में नीले नीले आसमां तले, रंग नए नए हैं जैसे घुलते हुए। खोए से ख्वाब मेरे जागे तेरे वास्ते, तेरे ख्यालों में हैं भीगे मेरे रास्ते। क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है, या क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है, या ओ, चले आते हो हर रोज इन ख्वाबों में, चुपके से आ भी जाओ एक दिन मेरी बाहों में। तेरे ही सपने अंधेरों में उजालों में, कोई नशा है तेरी आंखों के प्यालों में। तू मेरे ख्वाबों में जवाबों में सवालों में, हर दिन चुरा तुम्हें मैं लाता हूँ ख्यालों में। क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है, या क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है, या ओ ओ
All right, if you're not dancing right now, then I don't know when you will be dancing. So guys, that was amazing, Abhinav. Great energy, awesome song, great singing. So thank you so much for that. All right, guys, please keep your comments coming on Facebook. Please keep tracking everything and show your appreciation here without a live audience. So we like the clapping, we like the comments, we like the thumbs up and the loves and the hearts. So please keep them coming. And that way we know you are enjoying the performances. So, you know, I'm going to take this moment, Deepa. We have another thing wanted to ask you. You know, I read through some of the things that you've done in the past. You know, you were working with Suyog Productions, which is a theater house in Marathi theater as an actor, and toured all over Maharashtra with a lot of productions. And then you also dabbled in a couple of short films by NFDC. Now, acting versus singing, versus dancing. What does Deepa do? What does she do?
You know, that's actually, it's surprising to a lot of people because here in Portland, I am known more for dancing, but my first love is actually acting. So when I came to the US, I was kind of trying to figure out, you know, how to get back into the art scene and where to plug in. And like I said, friends suggested teaching dancing. So I just started with that and it just kind of took off. So I'm on the hunt for my next acting opportunity, actually. But since you mentioned Suyog Productions, I will tell you of something that's, I'm very proud of. So it was in my last year of, and as you said, we were gonna, with the theater group, we were gonna tour all of Maharashtra and some parts of Gujarat actually. And I made a deal with my dad. I negotiated that so long as I can keep my grades up, above 70%, I get to tour with the theater company. And so that's how I got to do that. But when I told my daughter about this, I was kind of trying to tell her that, see how I manage both studies and arts. And she's like, 70%, mom, you got off easy. She's like, that's not an A. So yeah, but theater is definitely some of my fondest memories. I also acted in Zulva, which some of the Marathi audience might recognize. It's a critically acclaimed show, and it ran for a lot of years, directed by Maman Kendre. One of my very first plays was directed by Kedar Shinde, who is now a pretty big name in Marathi film industry. So yeah, definitely a lot of ties to theater and acting.
I see. Wow, Deepa, that is good to know, right? Sometimes you get sort of in that zone, I want to say, and then you do have other things going on. So thank you for sharing that. And guys, by the way, for the audience, Deepa has a Facebook channel as well, actually a YouTube channel also that you can follow. Please do check it out. It is pretty phenomenal. There's a lot of cool dances that she is recording, and she's constantly updating it with newer performances. So just wanted to share it out, share it with everybody. One other thing, Deepa, and this is something, which I've wondered about music, but because I'm more inclined to singing and music myself, but how does the creative process for choreography happen? And how do you come up with steps? With music, you have Sat Sur, you can, people who know that. How does it work with choreography? How do you come up with these things?
You want me to give away all my trade secrets?
Hey, whatever helps, right? Everybody can learn, right?
Yes, absolutely. I think I will. So I think there is a couple of things that I do differently, or kind of like that are my hallmark of my style. Probably the first thing is that I start with the mood or the theme of the song. So, and I start with what do I want my audience to feel? Like what emotion do I want to evoke? So you mentioned like you're a singer. There are a lot of singers actually right now on our show. And I think they can identify with this, that, our ragas, the musical notes are built to evoke a certain emotion, right? So I try to stay true to that. And so, for example, if it's a devotional song, if I'm working on doing an inspirational devotional song, I'll probably have a lot of like high energy steps, a lot of footwork, something that raises the tempo. Versus if it's a devotional song where my end goal is to evoke serenity, I'll probably go slower, focus more on, fluid movements, stuff like that. So I kind of have like my, that like my outline and my end goal set first. And then Jyoti knows this. I have a very good idea and outline, and I have a very good idea of the final vision, but I don't come with every single thing choreographed, because I like to involve my dancers as part of the choreographic process. So I have a lot of it sets, but I will leave some pockets open for discussion, so that, there's the more, two brains are always better than one, right? So, the more creative input, the more juices are flowing, the better we can, better outcome we can produce. So.
Absolutely.
I have enjoyed that in Deepa's classes. I have taken several classes from her, and I love that freedom that she gives. We don't have that fear like, oh, we have to listen. And, and sometimes we go off into our own, and then she'll all bring us and group us back together. She's got a wonderful way of doing that, but she does allow us also to say, hey, how will this step look over here? And she'll be like, yeah, I think that's great. Let's go with that. So that's she sees us and she knows how to do that, and I really love that part about you, Deepa. Awesome.
I'm glad to hear that.
So can I ask another question to Deepa or Vaibhav, or are you having anything else more that you're going to ask?
Please go ahead, Jyoti.
Deepa, you and I go a long way back with so many classes, so I figured that I'm going to take some liberty here and
oh my gosh,
today. Okay. So the challenge is for you to do a hook step. And let's see if the audience can guess either the song or the actor, depending on what you're going to do. And
Oh, wow.
this is a way to engage you guys. And a hook step is maybe actually, Deepa, maybe you should go ahead and explain it better to the audience. It is, for me, it is something that a step is associated with a particular song or an actor. And, when we think of that, we end up doing that or something like that. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Yeah, so it's like the most famous, most identifiable part of the song that's like played in trailer and everywhere you'll see it over and over again. Yep.
So why don't you show us a couple of hooks?
Okay.
And audience, please go ahead and put in your chats if you can guess either the actor or the song.
All right, so I'm gonna go easy. I want everybody to be to be chatting away and giving away the answer. Can you guys see me okay?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So here's the first one. So you don't need music, you don't need costumes or anything. You should be able to guess this. So that's the first one. And then, am I doing one more, Jyoti?
Yes, one more.
Okay. So the second one, okay, how about this one?
Yeah. Well, I got it, but I won't say it.
That's awesome, Deepa. That is phenomenal. Guys, please go ahead and post your comments and your responses to these hook steps and tell us what your guesses are. All right. And we will be monitoring these and what someone from our team is for sure. In the meantime, let me go ahead and introduce our next performance. Our next performance is choreographed by Deepa and it also includes Rupali Kadgi and Gomati Ramkumar. Rupali, she started dancing at the age of 5. Her father encouraged her to learn the classical Bharatanatyam dance form, and since then she's loved dancing. She's enjoyed doing stage performances, and she just has the energy that and she enjoys the energy that comes from the dancing. After coming to the US, she has also actually been working with Deepa, and at Deepa's Dance Academy has provided her an opportunity to continue her passion, and dancing's never stopped since. So that's Rupali for you. And then Gomati, of course, she's also learned Bharatanatyam, and she has practiced it for 8 years, and she performed through school and college. I mean, that's great. And the fact that she actually lost some touch with it, she said, and after a long hiatus, she then connected with Deepa, and then like everybody else, she got in touch with Deepa and started dancing again and has been going since. So let's hear it for Gomati, Rupali, and Deepa for their next performance.
picture of Deepa Barve on it. Very nice. Loved it. So now I am going to introduce the newest member of our team. So far it has been the oldest one, and now I will bring in, his name is Sandeep Shetty. And how Sandeep Shetty came into this team is he used to sing at the Senior Citizens Club at Chinmaya Mission, and a couple of times Sandhiji and some of his friends also went and they informed him about it. And that is how we got our newest star, Sandeep Shetty. And today he's going to sing for us a wonderful song, Sara Zamana, Hasino Ka Deewana. So get ready to rock, everybody. Please get up from your seats and make your moves.
जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना, जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना, है सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना, जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना, है सारा जमाना। ये कौन कह रहा है तू आज प्यार कर ले, जो कभी भी खत्म ना हो वो एतबार कर ले। मान ले मेरी बात, सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना, जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना, है सारा जमाना। जब हुस्न ही नहीं तो दुनिया में क्या कशिश है, दिल दिल वही है जिसमें कहीं प्यार की खलिश है। जब हुस्न ही नहीं तो दुनिया में क्या कशिश है, दिल दिल वही है जिसमें कहीं प्यार की खलिश है। मान ले मेरी बात, सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना, जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना, है सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना, जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना। ला 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 ला
was awesome. Awesome, Sandeep. That was great. That was amazing. You know, I can just picture in my head when I listen to that song is the Amitabh, you know, maybe Deepa, you can do this hook step better than I can. But, you know, it's like with the hip movement, you know, it's that classic Amitabh Bachchan step. It was great. Sandeep, awesome singing. You know, I do want to take this moment actually, Jyoti, you know, I know we've been listening to a lot of the team members from Sur Aur Sab Tak. I know you've been associated with Sur Aur Sab Tak for a very long time. How did you get involved?
Well, thank you for asking. I've been with them for 8 years now. Next year will be my 9th year. And let's see, that's a nice story. My passion is cooking, and I worked as a chef at Lentil Garden that belonged to Ramchandra Sunkara, RC we call him. He's my mentor and encouraged me a lot with my cooking passion. Thank you to RC. And I was working there as a chart chef. And I also used to take up South Indian, doing dosas and everything. So Thursday used to be dosa special day. And Sandhi and Anju used to come in on Thursdays to enjoy the dosas. And it was, I was in the kitchen and my assistant came and said, hey, your friends are outside and they were kind of asking about you. And so I came outside and I said hello to them. And then we chatted a little bit, and then Sandhi popped the question. I mean, you know, and asked, hey, would you be interested to do this for Sur Aur Sab Tak? And I was like, really? And I was very excited, and I said, sure, I would love to help. It's a great cause. And that is how I joined, and I have been with them since then. I co-hosted it a couple of times with Sharad Khetan, and then after that, I have been doing it alone. And I remember I gave specially extra masala to Anju and Sandhi that day for their dosa also.
लेकिन free नहीं मिला.
I'm sure Sandhi remembers the masala dosas and all of that. So that's great, Jyoti. That's good to hear.
And you know, seeing Sandeep's performance, I must say, Sandeep has really, he was dancing and he has really loosened up, because I remember it was very hard to get him to dance, but he has done a great job. And he also told me that his takeaway in this group this year has been that he's also supposed to perform and dance. And another trivia I want to tell you about the song that he chose, I think, which is perfect for Deepavali, is during the song Sara Zamana, the light bulb outfit, you remember he was wearing a light bulb outfit? It went on and off via a switch, which was firmly placed in his hand, in Amitabh Bachchan's hand. And he had to press that switch on and off in tune with the beat of the music. And do you know who the mastermind behind that was?
No, I do not. Who was?
It was Amitabh Bachchan himself.
Wow.
So
that's great.
A great song for Deepavali. So moving along, our next performer, again, a newest member of our team, is Aniket Tiwari. And he also joined the team, just like how Sandeep did. He used to sing with Sandeep at the Chinmaya Mission Senior Citizen Center. And that is how he also came along. And so he's going to sing a wonderful number, Ek Ladki Bhigi Bhagi Si. Let's welcome Aniket.
एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। दिल ही दिल में जली जाती है, बिगड़ी बिगड़ी चली आती है। दिल ही दिल में चली जाती है, बिगड़ी बिगड़ी चली आती है, झुंझलाती हुई बल खाती हुई निकली है सुनी रात में। मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। डगमग डगमग लहकी लहकी, भूली भटकी बहकी बहकी, डगमग डगमग लहकी लहकी, भूली भटकी बहकी बहकी, मछली मछली घर से निकली, पगली सी काली रात में। मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। तन भीगा है सर गीला है, उसका कोई पेच भी ढीला है। तन भीगा है सर गीला है, उसका कोई पेच भी ढीला है, तनती झुकती चलती रुकती निकली अंधेरी रात में। मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे न पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है।
Wow, Aniket, that was fabulous. Very, very nice. I also want to share with you all that Aniket wanted to share that he has had a great time with SAS. And he says it has been one of his most magical and fun experiences. And he hopes to have many more performances. So, and he met a lot of nice people, especially Sandhi. He would agree with that wherever he is. So yes, great job, Aniket. Moving along, I now want to take the opportunity to ask Vaibhav, how did you come to know Deepa? And could you share something about that, your story?
Yeah, Deepa and I actually first met when I was seeing India, Oregon, in Portland. Shweta and them had me there, and I got to meet Deepa there. And then since then we have met through a lot of these events and interacted personally, and we've really enjoyed the connection. So yeah, I mean, it started off as me viewing her as a judge for an event, and from there it just went on, and I was involved with, and I've been fortunate. I mean, I've gotten all this from the community, and that was great. So yeah, that's just a quick bit about myself. Thank you.
Yeah, he's one of the few people, Jyoti, who is just as filmy as we are.
It's been great working with him. It's my first time we've been connected with him. So nice. Yeah, been great. So
Sorry, Jyoti, go ahead.
moving along, Vaibhav, so are we, yeah, okay, Deepa, I'm going to now continue and ask you once again to do 2 more hook steps, if possible, for the audience to guess. So
Sure.
would you like to do that?
Sure, we can do that. All right, so I'm not dressed for this one, but I think you guys will still get it. So that's one. And then the second one, okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit, maybe a little bit difficult.
I know.
I can't help but hum it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, please definitely post your answers and in the comment section in the live feeds. All right, so I want to remind everybody, we have a grand finale coming up. Please, you don't want to miss this. This is live. It has not happened in the history of our community here and in the history of the Spotlight Show. It is a very, very special performance by Deepa and her teammates. So please stay on there. I'm going to introduce our next performance here. It is the Bollywood contemporary dance, and it is being performed by Arshia Rajesh Narayan and Sanya Surya, and it has been choreographed by Deepa Barve. Arshia, just to give a quick background about her, she's a 17-year-old sophomore at Sunset High School, and she has learned Bharatnatyam, and she has also learned Bharatnatyam actually in Portland from Srimati Radhika Narayanan, and also in Bangalore from Sri Aditya PV. And she has also been learning Odissi under the tutelage of Srimati Yashaswini Raghuram. This is great. These guys are learning so quickly at such a young age. That's kind of mind-boggling to me. Sanya Surya she's a senior at Westview High School. Is also an active performer in acting and dance. She has actually been trained in 6 styles of dance: Bharatnatyam from Srimati Anita Menon, Kathak from Sri Samiksha Lamba, Odissi from Srimati Yashaswini Raghuram, jazz, ballet, and hip hop. So she's really out there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Arshia and Sanya.
That was mind-blowing. What do you think, Vaibhav?
That was phenomenal. That was just so good. Both Arshia and Sanya,
Absolutely.
great job. Great
Very,
job.
very, very nice. And guys, I think you guys have been sending your chats and saying what the hook step is. I would like to say that there is at this point that you will be given the title of either Mr. Hook or Mrs. Hook. But there are no prizes, but I hope you enjoyed participating in the hook challenge. And Lavanya, at this point, I would like to also check in with you on how you're doing. And oh my God, I can see it and it looks just absolutely fabulous. But I just want to check in and say how you're doing there.
Yeah, I'm doing good. So it's almost, most of the steps are done. A little bit of shading is a little more pending.
Okay.
That's great.
Wow.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Vaibhav, आपकी बोलती बंद हो गई. It's very rare that you're speechless like that. Say something.
Right. No, absolutely. This was, I'm, I know you guys are not able to see it. We are seeing it backstage. It is pretty phenomenal how Lavanya is progressing and how you can do something like that. Oh, that is just great, guys. You will be seeing it very, very, very soon. All right, we'd like to now bring in the next performance.
Our next performer is Deepanjan, again a newest member of Sur Aur Saptak, and he says that he met Sandeep ji at the Sargam Foundation event where he was performing for a charitable cause, and Sandeep ji invited him to join, and he was very excited. Sandeep ji told him it is all Bollywood-based songs, and he loves to sing Bollywood songs. He said he enjoyed meeting the team, made a lot of meaningful and relationships and friends, and loved the fact that he could sing anything and everyone gave good constructive feedback and everybody improved their singing as and when the program neared. So thank you, Deepanjan, for your feedback. And Deepanjan is going to sing a dhamakedar song, "Ae Meri Zahar Zabi" from the movie Waqt.
ज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। मेरी ज़हर ज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। शौकिया ये वाक़ेपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं, ये शौकिया ये वाक़ेपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं, दिलों को जीतने का फन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं। मैं तेरी आँखों में पा गया दो जहां, मैं तेरी आँखों में पा गया दो जहां। ऐ मेरी ज़हर ज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। मुस्कुरा के बोल दे, यूं मीठे बोल जाने मन जो मुस्कुरा के बोल दे, तू धड़कनों में आज भी शराबी रंग घोल दे। ओ सनम मैं तेरा आशिक जावेदा, ओ सनम मैं तेरा आशिक जावेदा, मेरी ज़र ज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ में कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान, मेरी ज़र ज़बी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ में कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान।
हाय हाय दीपांजन, कुर्बान जाओ, खूब भालो, खूब भालो. You also have my answer. Awesome, very nice. So now move along for this song and call that address of City, and the song is Ajit Das Party.
कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी,
न वो समझ सके न हम,
अजीब दास्तां है ये,
कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म,
ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से,
ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से,
ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जब पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से,
अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम।
मुबारके तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए,
मुबारके तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए,
किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए,
अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ
सके न हम। किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया जहां बसाओगे, किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया जहां बसाओगे।
ये शाम जब भी आएगी तुम हमको याद आओगे।
अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम।
Wow, wow, wow. That was awesome. What a nice song saying Ajeeb Dasta. For those who don't know Hindi, Dasta is a story, and it is like everybody's stories came in today, and it was a perfect, this song, to sing Ajeeb Dasta Hai Ye. So guys, please again remember to pencil in the date for February 27th, and you'll see all of them perform. And please remember that it will be online, and please share it with your friends and family too. And now we would like to get Lavanya in to share her sketch and to talk a few words.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So it's almost done with my sketching. So this is actually a sketching which was done based on Diwali celebration. So I just want to share all the items which we include in a Diwali celebration. So it's just a time of sharing. So that is what I want to come out with my sketching. So in this part, I have shown all the enjoyments. That is, since this is going to be the festival of lights, I have projected the light and how the rangolis in it. And in this, I have included my peacock, which shows the which is the symbol of prosperity, luck, and the crackers, the fireworks, the sweets, the enjoyment, what all will be done during a Diwali season. But this celebration is not common for everyone. It is not the same for everyone. There are some who are not being provided with these. They don't have this opportunity of celebration, and the anxiety in their eyes, how they feel when these celebrations are to be done. So this is what I want to show, the divide between how one side of the one part is able to do everything, where the other is not, is lacking all these stuffs. So if we get into the principle of giving or sharing or balancing something which gives something for them, then that will be the best thing what we can do for Diwali. So it's just Diwali is sharing not only within ourselves, it's for also for the others who is lacking this. So this is what I want to project through my drawing. Thank you.
Lavanya, that is such a beautiful message, and that's such a nice way to put it. And and I'm so glad, we are so glad that you are actually able to share this message through your art. And thank you for projecting that. And I I was wondering, you know, how it all was coming together as we were watching you create it. And thank you so much. Really
It's amazing. It's amazing how on paper you can say so many things.
Yeah, thank
Absolutely.
you.
Wonderful.
Right. Thank you so much, Lavanya. Guys, this is the moment we've been waiting for also. You know, this I've been talking about for a while, long time. It's the grand finale. Let's go ahead and not waste any more time listening to me right now. We'll go right into it. Choreographed by Deepa Barve with Gomti and Rupali Kadgi on there. Here it is. Right, guys, we're here. We have looks like we have a little bit of a technical snag here. We will clear that out in one quick second here. But while we do that, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you are submitting your entries for Decorate for Diwali with PDXA1 Spotlight, and please make sure you're sharing your pictures, voting, and participating heartily in that competition. If you go to Facebook, you'll be able to see that link. You can also go to pdxa1.com and you will be able to find some more information about that. So if you have not already done it, please go ahead and do it. And if you have already done it, please go ahead and vote for the best Diwali decorations there. It is exciting. I don't know if you have checked out any of the entries, Jyoti.
Not yet. Somebody was telling me to put an entry and I was like, no, that's fine. But I haven't.
Decorations with your food, with all the items you have made.
Yeah, somebody was saying to do creation on food and I was thinking about it. I mean, I made my sweets and all those. I have some, but I didn't think about. Did you see?
No, I haven't checked out everything, but I have seen a few and they're looking good. They're looking good. So that is a great initiative by Venkat. So that's
Yeah.
good idea.
So many things are happening that I've been losing my mind.
Right, I think we are ready to go. All right, on to the live feed then. Thank you.
Okay, awesome.
चेहरा छुपा के रखना, सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना, ये दिल की बात
लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना।
चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 सारी इश्क की छाव चल छैया छैया सारी इश्क की छाव चल छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 छैया
दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना, ओ दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना, धंधा है ये उसका पुराना, अरे धंधा है ये उसका पुराना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले
खाना ना 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 खन खाना हे टना ना 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 टन टना ना 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 जी 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 जी
धम 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 ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे धम 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 ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे धम धम हंगामा हंगामा हो गया है हंगामा 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 मम्मा मम्मा रे धम 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 ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे धम 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 ढोल बाजे बाजे रे ढोल बाजे
Okay, we are sweating. I can tell you we are sweating right now. It is
We've been dancing, so.
no, exactly. I'm like, we're going really going crazy here. Awesome, awesome, great live performance, Deepa, Rupali, and Gomti. You guys rocked it. This was such a great collection of songs from the 90s. An awesome medley. Thank you so much for that performance.
Yes, it was a dhamakedar performance, like fireworks for the end, the grand finale. Totally. It was just maza aa gaya. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wonderful.
What energy.
Yep, lot of energy. And now I will hand this over to Venkat for saying a few words.
Thank you, Jyoti, and thank you, Vaibhav. Wow, what a visual treat. It's a nice show, fantastic. So I'm really happy. I'm very proud and honored to have all of you in our show today. So this is really a Diwali treat to everyone from PDXA1 Realty Group and the PDXA1 Spotlight team. On behalf of PDXA1 Realty Group and Spotlight team, I heartily thank each and every one of you your performance and their time and putting efforts last 1 or 2 weeks preparing for this one. And it's really, really awesome. Thank you so much. Personally, I'd like to thank Deepa, Sandhi, and their teams to bring such a wider variety of shows for this Diwali event. This is fantastic. And Lavanya, it was unbelievable to watch your art. It's super, very nice. It's a this I never see the pencil sketch in local in our talent. This is super. Thank you for taking your time and come in our showcase your talent. Finally, and Jyoti and Vaibhav, this is a really energetic performance and host. You really make this show into the next level. Thank you so much, Jyoti and Vaibhav. And lastly, I like to thank my team. So it's without team, it's not going to happen. So they are beginning the scene and running the show. Really, thank you, my team, and their time and efforts. And thank you for all for joining us today. Thank you for our continued support. Today, there is some issue in the Facebook Live. We unable to live in Facebook, but we have a recorded video. We put it in Facebook right away. And thank you so much. And thank you for your support and encouragement. So we will meet in our in next week, next show with a lovely host and guest. Take care and stay safe. And
Hey,
happy.
Venkat, you have thanked everybody, but we need to thank you. And that's very important. You know, again, Venkat, Ajay, Lavanya, Anupa, all of you guys, you know, in Surya Saptak, we have done this. So we know how much effort it takes on everybody part. There is micro steps from start to end that we have to go through. Everybody has to go through, and it's not an easy thing to put this level of a program. There is too much coordination. So I cannot, and I'll take on my behalf of Surya Saptak team. And also I'm sure Deepa is also nodding her head because everybody has gone through this. This is not an easy thing. Heartfelt thanks to coming from my heart, from our hearts. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you, Venkat. Thank you, Lavanya. Thank you, Anupa. Everybody for making this successful.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Happy Deepavali, everybody.
Happy Diwali all.
Happy Diwali.
Bye-bye. Happy Diwali.